first thing you want to do is go to link in description and download the zip file for your operating system. Then unzip it somewhere you'll easily find it. Next, create your intro or outro using your preferred software. Then you want to set your ratio to 2:1. Because this is a 360 video, we don't want people to have to look around to see your intro. We're going to make it smaller, then it only shows on the front-facing view. I've found about 30% to be a good size. Next, export your video at 8K and at a frame rate the same as your 360 video. I'm not sure if the frame rate matters much. I'm changing the video name to something I can locate easily. Then export. Here I have the software from our zip file, named Spatial Media Metadata Injector, in the same location as our new intro. Now open the software and click Open to locate and load your newly created intro. The 360 option box should already be ticked. Now click Inject Metadata and choose location where you want to save your 360 video. That's it, your 360 intro is created. Now you can open and test your video in your preferred 360 video player. I'm using DJI Studio. That's your 360 intro completed. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.